Hey guys, it's Sepp. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I have a 2020 BMW 330i XDrive that my buddy lent to me. So I'm going to do some POV photography and probably do some POV driving later on in the night. Also, quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional photographer, neither am I a professional videographer. So it might not turn out great, but this is my first YouTube video. I'm just going to go casual with it and just have fun. Anyways, let's cut to me taking some photos with the GoPro on.
Turn into here. Cool wall.
Or horizontal, you think?
Maybe you could do like 3/4 type of look. Okay, let's get some bokeh up in this. Little acceleration just for you guys. Go down a little bit. No one's behind us. I think 0 to 100 is 5.6 seconds. So pretty quick. Not super fast, but it's pretty quick. It's really good for daily driving, I'm sure. I think this car outputs 255 horsepower, 300 or 290 foot-pounds of torque, or even more than 280 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know off the top of my head, but you do feel that torque. The horsepower could use a bump, but this isn't their top of the line 3 Series, so I think there's an M330i. I don't know my BMW, so I'm sure there's something more faster than this. At least that's not an M3. But the interior is super nice. You can see the digital gauges are futuristic looking. There's a lot of gloss black, but you know, if you keep it clean, it looks super fancy, super classy. And this car actually does seem like a lot of people turn heads, even though it's just a 3 Series. Like it's a new 3 Series, so it looks different than a lot of the BMWs that have just come out recently. It does have a chrome grille, which I don't like, but at least it's better than like those huge grills on that. I don't even know. There's a new BMW release, and the grills are literally down to the bumper, which is like disgusting in my opinion. So, oh, you see the view of the tower there? Looks so good. I actually love night driving with the digital gauge. Honestly, it looks so cool. I feel like I'm in a spaceship. see how this car handles. It's going up to this exit here. See, it feels pretty planted. And honestly, it handles pretty good. This is not an M Sport or whatever trim level of this BMW, but it still drives really flat. It feels really good. Honestly, it's really confidence inspiring. And I can just accelerate out the corner, just dart out of it, no problem. Damn, this car is actually pretty good. It's a 330xi 2020, so it's not a M trim level or anything like that, and it still handles that well. It's super impressive. BMW really have stepped up their game to even their 3 Series model. It's a non-sport version, so honestly, this car is an amazing daily driver, and you could still, and it still feels sporty when you need it to. So it's a good balance. All right, guys. Well, honestly, I'm almost home now. I'm gonna go home and edit some of the photos and see if we can put some videos together. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my channel. Honestly, I really have no direction whatsoever of how I'm gonna go with it. I don't know if I'm gonna review cars. I don't know if I'm just gonna check out people's or my friends or family's cars. I really don't know. But one thing is for sure, it's gonna do something with cars. So if you love cars, you're car enthusiasts, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm still pretty new at this, so over time I'll get better, but it is my first video, so just bear with me. But anyways, thanks guys, and have a great day.